Okay, I'm gonna show you how to redeem your Amazon gift card. If you got one for Christmas, maybe somebody gave you one, but it's real simple to do. It's a little cheap looking card. But anyway, what you wanna do to redeem it, you go ahead and peel this little back part off to reveal the code. And once you reveal the code, what you wanna do is go to your Amazon app on your phone. And I just scroll down, hit that, and hit the Amazon app. Once you hit the Amazon app, you want to go to these three little dots, or little lines right here. You click on it, and right there where it says gift cards and register, you just click on that. And here at the top where you see manage gift card balance, you just clicked on that, and it'll give you the drop down options to view gift card balance, reload gift card, redeem an Amazon gift card. We're gonna look at my balance first. So we're gonna look at view balance. As you can see, it's 0. So my balance is 0. So while you viewing the balance, you could go ahead and hit redeem another gift card. You see that right there? You just click on that. Redeem another gift card. Now what you can do, you could scan this or you could type it in. So we're gonna go ahead and scan it. So I hit the scan button. Hit apply balance. And there you go. You see it added that $50 to my card, to my balance. So I'm gonna scan another one. We're gonna hit redeem. We're gonna hit scan. So it's going through the process of scanning. It scanned it in. Hit redeem. And that's it. So as you can see, the balance is now $100. That's all to it. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and have a great day.